Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated and electrifying returns in the automotive world, the 2026 BMW i8. Get ready, because this isn't just a car, it's a vision reborn. The 2026 BMW i8 has returned not only with a new generation of style but with a bold mission, to redefine what a hybrid sports car can be in an era that's increasingly electric. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this car is special. The design is futuristic, yet unmistakably BMW. The iconic kidney grille is now sleeker and more aerodynamic, integrated into a front fascia that feels like it was carved by the wind. Laser-sharp LED lights, dramatic air channels, and a low, aggressive stance all scream innovation and performance. The butterfly doors are still here, still dramatic, but they've been refined for better functionality and lighter weight. Every inch of the exterior is engineered for efficiency, but it never sacrifices presence. Step inside, and the cabin of the 2026 i8 takes you to a space-age level. The interior design blends premium materials with cutting-edge tech. Recycled composites, sustainably sourced leathers, and an intelligent lighting system create a cockpit that's both luxurious and environmentally conscious. A massive curved OLED display stretches across the dash, seamlessly combining the digital gauge cluster with BM's next-gen iDrive interface. Voice and gesture controls are more intuitive than ever, and the vehicle's AI learns your habits over time to personalize your driving experience like never before. The seats are lower, more supportive, and designed for spirited driving, reminding you that even though it's a hybrid, it's still a true sports car. Under the hood, or rather, under the sleek body, things get even more exciting. The 2026 BMW i8 is powered by a more powerful hybrid drivetrain that delivers over 500 horsepower, thanks to an upgraded turbocharged inline-4 paired with dual electric motors. This setup allows the i8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds while still offering up to 45 miles of electric-only range. That means thrilling performance without sacrificing sustainability. BMW's EAWD system ensures power delivery is perfectly balanced between all four wheels, giving the car grip, agility, and poise through every corner. The battery pack is larger and more energy-dense, offering faster charging and better range, a huge improvement over the previous generation. On the road, the 2026 i8 is a revelation. The instant torque from the electric motors combines with the gasoline engine's roar for a driving experience that feels alive and electrifying. Adaptive suspension, predictive chassis control, and drive modes that range from full electric to track-ready Sport Plus make the i8 incredibly versatile. Whether you're silently gliding through the city or attacking a mountain road, the car adapts to you and your mood. BMW didn't just bring the i8 back, they reinvented it. It's no longer just about futuristic looks or hybrid novelty. It's now a serious performance machine, an eco-conscious icon, and a clear statement that the future of driving doesn't have to be boring. The 2026 BMW i8 is here, and it's more than just a car, it's a movement. Live, subscribe, follow.